Chapter 2 More Formatting in Word 2019 Learning Outcomes. In this chapter, you will learn about customizing line and paragraph spacing, changing page orientation, defining page border and shading, inserting header and footer, printing the document. Sukaba, our books are very colorful and full of designs. But the Word document we have created has only white background with no styles. Do we need a special app for that? You can make your document colorful and design in Word also. Do you know how to do that? Yes, I am fully aware of that. And can you please show that to us? I want to make my project look different from others. Sure. Why not? Let's start. Line and paragraph spacing. Line spacing. Line spacing refers to the vertical space between two adjacent lines of a paragraph. There are options available for different line spacings in MS Word. First, we have to select the paragraph in which we want to change the line spacing and then follow the steps as shown in Figure 2.1. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. In the paragraph group, click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing option to open a drop-down list. 3. Click on any option from the list. Examples of different line spacing options are shown in Figure 2.2. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing refers to the vertical space before and after a paragraph. To change paragraph spacing, select the paragraph and then follow the steps as shown in Figure 2.3. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. In the paragraph group, click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing option. 3. Click on the Add Space Before Paragraph or Add Space After Paragraph option. Quick tips. Click on the button at the bottom right corner of the paragraph group in the Home tab to open the paragraph dialog box. We can type values for line spacing and paragraph spacing in the specified boxes. Page orientation. Page orientation helps in setting the way in which a Word document may be printed. There are two types of orientation, portrait and landscape. Using these, a page may be printed vertically or horizontally. Portrait. In this setting, the document is printed vertically. This means that the length of the paper is more than its width or breadth. Refer to Figure 2.8a. Landscape. In this setting, the document is printed horizontally. This means that the width or breadth of the paper is more than its length. Refer to Figure 2.8b. Smart Connect. We can have portrait as well as landscape orientations on different pages in the same document. Figure 2.9 shows the steps to set or change the orientation of a Word document. 1. Click on the Layout tab. 2. Click on Orientation. A drop-down list opens. 3. Click on Portrait or Landscape to set the orientation. Page border and shading. Page border. A border is an outline given to a page to make it look more attractive. To add border to our page, follow the steps as shown in Figure 2.10. 1. Click on the Design tab. 2. Click on Page Borders. The Border and Shading dialog box opens. 3. Choose the style, color and width of the border. 4. Click on the Art drop-down list to choose an artistic border. 5. Click on the OK button. Figure 2.11 shows examples of plain and artistic borders added to a page. Page shading. We can increase the presentability and appeal of a page by filling it with a color of our choice. To fill color in our page, follow the steps as shown in Figure 2.12. 1. Click on the Design tab. 2. Click on the Page Color drop-down arrow to open a list of colors. 3. Choose a color from the color palette. 4. The selected color is applied to the page. Header and footer. Header is any text or image that is to be repeated on top of every page of the document. Similarly, footer is anything that is to be repeated at the bottom of every page of the document. Header or footer can be a text, picture, date, time, or page number. The steps to insert a header in a Word document are shown in figure 2.13. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on Header. A drop-down list opens. 3. Choose a style from the header. 4. The header appears at the top of the page. We can type the text that we wish to set as the header and click anywhere on the page. The steps to insert a footer in a Word document are shown in figure 2.14. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on Footer. A drop-down list opens. 3. Choose a style for the footer. 4. The footer appears at the bottom of the page. We can type the text that we wish to set as the footer and click anywhere on the page. If there are more than one pages in the document, the header and footer are applied to all the pages. In the Header and Footer tab under the Header and Footer Tools Contextual tab, click on Close Header and Footer to save the header and footer. Refer to figure 2.15 and return to normal page of the document. Printing a document. After applying various types of formatting to the document, we can also print a hard copy or take a printout of the document. Figure 2.16 shows the steps that need to be followed to print a document. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Select a printer. 3. Set each settings option according to our need. 4. Specify the number of copies. 5. Click on Print button.